Welcome to Turkey. Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on an immersive journey into the history, architecture, and cultural significance of one of the world's most iconic landmarks, Hagia Sophia. This monumental structure has stood the test of time, witnessing the rise and fall of empires and serving as a symbol of both religious devotion and architectural ingenuity. Join us as we explore the grandeur and transformations of Hagia Sophia from its inception to its current status. Hagia Sophia, or Holy Wisdom in Greek, is located in the heart of Istanbul, Turkey. Its history dates back to the 6th century when the Byzantine Emperor Justinian I commissioned its construction. The building was completed in 537 AD, and it was designed to be the centerpiece of Christian Constantinople, reflecting the power and glory of the Byzantine Empire. The construction involved thousands of workers and took just 5 years, an incredible feat for its time. The site of Hagia Sophia has a layered history. Before the current structure, there were 2 previous churches on the same site, both of which were destroyed by riots and fires. The current Hagia Sophia was designed to be more durable and magnificent, symbolizing the resilience and faith of the Byzantine people. One of the most striking features of Hagia Sophia is its massive dome, which was considered an engineering marvel. The dome spans 31 meters in diameter and rises to a height of 55 meters. It appears to float above the nave, supported by pendanus and buttressed by semi-domes. This innovative design distributed the weight of the dome, allowing for a more open and expansive interior space. The interior of Hagia Sophia is equally impressive, adorned with mosaics, marble pillars, and intricate decorations. The mosaics, many of which date back to the Byzantine era, depict religious figures such as Christ, the Virgin Mary, and various saints. These mosaics are masterpieces of Byzantine art, showcasing the skill and devotion of the artists who created them. The marble used in Hagia Sophia was sourced from various regions of the Byzantine Empire, including Egypt, Syria, and North Africa. The pillars and walls feature different colors and patterns of marble, creating a visually stunning and harmonious effect. The combination of light, space, and color inside Hagia Sophia is designed to evoke a sense of divine presence and spiritual awe. Throughout its history, Hagia Sophia has played a central role in the religious and cultural life of Constantinople, and later Istanbul. As the largest cathedral in the world, For nearly 1,000 years, it was the focal point of Orthodox Christianity. It hosted significant religious ceremonies, including the coronation of Byzantine emperors, who were crowned by the Patriarch of Constantinople inside the cathedral. Hagia Sophia's influence extended beyond religious practices. It was a center of learning and scholarship, housing important theological and philosophical works. The cathedral also inspired numerous other churches and cathedrals across the Byzantine Empire and beyond, influencing architectural styles for centuries. The fall of Constantinople to the Ottoman Empire in 1453 marked a significant turning point in Hagia Sophia's history. Sultan Mehmed II, also known as Mehmed the Conqueror, converted Hagia Sophia into a mosque, symbolizing the triumph of Islam over Christianity in the region. This conversion involved several modifications to the building, including the addition of minarets, a mihrab, and a minbar. In 1935, under the leadership of Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, the founder of the modern Turkish Republic, Hagia Sophia was transformed into a museum. This decision was part of Ataturk's broader efforts to secularize and modernize Turkey. The conversion aimed to emphasize the universal value of Hagia Sophia as a cultural and historical monument, transcending religious boundaries. During its time as a museum, Hagia Sophia attracted millions of visitors from around the world. Restoration efforts uncovered many of the original Byzantine mosaics, allowing people to appreciate the artistic and historical significance of the building in its entirety. Hagia Sophia became a symbol of intercultural dialogue and mutual respect. In 2020, Hagia Sophia was reconverted into a mosque following a court ruling that annulled its museum status. This decision was met with mixed reactions globally, with some viewing it as a restoration of its historical role and others expressing concern over its implications for cultural heritage. Despite its status as a mosque, Hagia Sophia remains open to visitors of all faiths, continuing to serve as a bridge between different cultures and religions. The reconversion included changes such as the covering of the Christian mosaics during prayer times and the addition of Islamic calligraphy. However, the building's rich history and architectural splendor continue to be accessible to everyone, allowing people to appreciate its multifaceted legacy. Today, Hagia Sophia stands as a testament to the architectural brilliance and historical significance of multiple civilizations. It is a living monument that tells the story of empires, religions, and cultures. Visitors can marvel at its grandeur, explore its rich history, and experience the blend of Christian and Islamic artistry. When planning your visit, it's essential to check the current regulations and visiting hours, as they may vary due to its status as a mosque. Non-Muslim visitors are welcome to explore the building outside of prayer times, and modest dress is required out of respect for its religious function. Hagia Sophia is not just a building, it is a living monument that tells the story of empires, religions, and cultures. Its enduring beauty and historical importance continue to inspire awe and admiration. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about other iconic landmarks, check out our video on the Blue Mosque, which is also available on our channel. See you in the next video.